Hi everyone, this is Sai, having 12 years experience on IT development and the training, more than 500 plus batches I trained on Java and Android platform. So today I want to give about an awareness on about Android. What is an Android and how we are going for the Android mobile application development. We are going to see today in this small introduction session. So as we know, mobile applications are having the current boom in the market as of now. So people are going for the lot of development with the applications and the training part of the application. And currently, people don't know any awareness on how these mobile applications are going on. So as of now, for every business from small scale to large scale business applications, right now, no one having a time to carry the laptop or if you go back in the 10 years back, people are going for the internet, caves to see the web applications, to access the internet services. So every day, right now we have a huge market, everyone, so from the small person to big person, everyone nowadays is going to have a small kind of mobiles or to big mobiles like iPhones. Without mobile, a man cannot live in the market. So in this today, we are going to see Android is one of the biggest mobile platform as compared to the iPhone and everything, because iPhones are more expensive as compared to the Android. Android is open source, means you can customize the Android software and you can implement it according to your own requirement. So that facility is available in the Android actually. So Android mobile applications, suppose if you buy a LG or if you buy a Motorola or if you buy a Sony, every mobile vendor is having its own specifications. So like an example, suppose if I want to go with Android 10 version, whatever the Android software versions we have, you can buy it and you can customize it according to your own requirement. So that means people will go with the Android, but internally, based on your hardware manufacturing or what type of sensors they are using, you can customize the software according to your own requirement. So that facility is available. That means whatever the software they provided from the Google, suppose Google released today Android 10 is the latest version, people will go with that and people will purchase it according to your own requirement, and they can customize it and they can add some additional implementation on the top on that. So like that, people will release the different products of Android accordingly. So that facility is available as compared to our market. So currently you can say like more than 80% of the stock market is totally based on the Android only. So the journey of Android is started in the year of 2007 officially, and in the 2009 the entire market realized that Android is the best platform in the market. So because of more than the people, why Android become more popular and more powerful mean, one is open source and one is implemented on Java, and Java is a platform independent, and what are the features we have in the Java, everything is available in Android. So who are coming from the core Java background knowledge, they can easily go with Android application development, and it's more lightweight and more performance. So nowadays in the market, without Android mobiles, no one can live right now. What are the smartphones right now we have? So majority of the software application, people will work in the streams like Java. I am working as a .NET programmer. So what you will do at the end of the day, we are developing a big software product. Suppose, let's say an example, you are taking like a Swiggy. So what the Swiggy person will do, Swiggy will go for the online delivery. That is the business of Swiggy. So how many people nowadays are placing the order online? So generally, if you take an example like online order is an example. So how the people will go to the website? How many people use the laptops nowadays to place an order? So how the people will use the Swiggy mobile app? If Swiggy mobile app is not there, how many people will place an order? So nowadays we are having ticket booking. Everything you are doing from the pocket level only. The entire world is in your hand now. you can utilize the services. So what are the software products we developed? The very, very big applications, they are transforming into mobile applications. So mobile applications are the extension journey for the software. If mobile applications are not available right now in the market, you cannot say what was the guarantee for the software applications. So software trend is totally changed from the 2009 onward. So IT market was totally transforming whatever the existing software applications are there, everything they are going to migrate into your mobile applications development. So that's the current business what we have in the market. So Android is one of the platform we are using for developing mobile applications like iPhone, iOS applications, like earlier BlackBerry applications. So some people will go for the cross-platform development also, like PhoneGap is there, like Flutter is there, like that Cordova is there, like that we have Xamarin from the Microsoft, like that people will have different requirement accordingly. Okay, so this is about the session. Thank you.